Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to delete WordPress content like posts, pages, and themes to start fresh on Bluehost. This is the before. This is a WordPress website on Bluehost that I was forced to select this theme for it. And this is the after deleting the WordPress content only. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Bluehost account, then go to websites, and next to the WordPress website that you want to delete the content only on, click on Manage. Now go to Advanced and scroll down to Site Management. Below it, you will see Delete Content Only. Now, if you click on this delete content only red button, you will remove all posts, pages, media, users, and comments so you can start fresh. Let's click on delete content only. Here you are about to delete your WordPress content. Your backups, SSL, and site URL will remain intact. However, your posts, media, pages, users, and comments for the site will be deleted. This action cannot be undone. Confirm the deletion by typing your site address or URL. I will paste it like that, or you can write it manually and hit delete. Your site content for your site is being deleted. Now, as you see, now they are now resetting WordPress. Now that the process is completed for me, click on WordPress admin button. You will land on this page asking you how you want to start creating your site. Here, do not click on either site creator or import an existing WordPress site. Here, look for your domain name. You will see mine is Ben Tutorial. After it, you will see wp-admin. And after it, you will see the rest like index.php. Select index.php and the rest like that, and delete it using your deletion button on your keyboard. Now hit enter and you will automatically log into your WordPress dashboard. And as you see, if I go to posts, I only see the original WordPress Hello World article. Same thing for the media folder. No added photos to my WordPress. Let's check the comments page, same thing. And here, let's see the appearance. They use the Bluehost blueprint theme. You can switch it to one of the original WordPress themes. Let's check the plugins. For the plugins, I can delete any plugin that I don't like. I can select all like that from here or from the top. It's the same thing, and deselect, or I can delete or delete. Yes, delete all of those added plugins that I don't want. Click on delete. Okay, they are now deleting the yes, my bad. First, I should deactivate the active plugins like that. Then select them again and select delete. And now they will be deleted all, just like that. Now let's give my website a visit. Before I continue this video, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Bluehost for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Bluehost, how to set up and manage your website, also email management, domain management, performance optimization, and also billing and account management. Other than this, you will also get access to other courses about hosting, web hosting, WordPress, email, and also website builder. How to get all of this for free? Simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. And this is my WordPress website. I think, yes, this is the Bluehost theme. Let's switch to the original. Yes, now I use 2025. Let's refresh. And this is the fresh WordPress theme. As you see, this is the hello world. And this is how to delete WordPress content like posts, pages, and themes to start fresh on Bluehost. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.